If you're a business in the USA or Canada and you are serious about getting access to a reliable source of highly responsive leads, but don't want to suffer the waste or frustration associated with buying leads that get resold over and over again, we have the perfect product for you. Six Figure Stamp Club specializes in selling discounted leads for club members and retail leads for non-members that are affordable and highly targeted. What's more, the membership program grants you a license to resell leads and receive cash and stamps by simply referring other members to the program. Everyone in business agrees, highly targeted leads that are hot and exclusive are the lifeblood of continued growth and success. That's why Six Figure Stamp Club proudly stands by their ironclad guarantee and promises that every direct mail lead they sell is less than 60 days old and 100% deliverable, or they'll refund the cost of the stamp, no questions asked. The best news is, even if you are new to buying leads from a reputable and trusted source, but don't know where to start, Six Figure Stamp Club will provide you with all the training and resources you need to quickly tap into a new stream of eager-to-buy, fresh prospects. Imagine what you can do for your bottom line. To enjoy all these benefits, join the Six Figure Stamp Club today. Start by creating your free account here.
Six Figure Stamp Club has a lot to offer. Not only do you get stamps and cash in the mail, this is a way to get some great leads for any business opportunity. It doesn't matter what industry you're in, these leads are always good and up to par, and they replace the leads if you get the returns. So Six Figure Stamp Club is around the web, and a lot of people are having great success with it. So give it a try. Go to info.endlessmailbox.com and create your free account and get started. Even if you just want leads and not want to join the actual company, go to info.endlessmailbox.com and set up your free account. Let me go over here, see if I can log in. Here we go. Right here, the best leads in the industry. And right here is where you would create your free account. Well, if you go to the website that I gave in this description, it would take you to your sign up page to create your free account. So that's all I have for you. Six Figure Stamp Club is a great business and a great opportunity if you like direct mail. It's now online to make it easier for those that like to work online as well. So go to info.endlessmailbox.com and create your free account today and get started. Okay, talk to you soon. Bye now.